Today I'm going to make pork chops stewed in a green salsa. It's so easy to make and it's so good. Okay, so for the salsa I'm going to use 1 poblano pepper, 2 tomatillos, 2 large cloves of garlic, 1 large jalapeno, and half of this onion. The rest of it I'm just going to slice up and let it stew with the meat. I will be removing the veins and the seeds from this, so it won't be so spicy. Now, if you want a lot of spice, maybe opt to use serrano peppers because those are really spicy. To prepare my poblano pepper, I'm going to turn on the heat and char the skin. And you're just going to continue turning it and moving it around on the open flame until the skin is completely charred. So the skin is completely charred and blistered. So I'm going to place this in a glass bowl, cover it with cling film or cling wrap, and I'm going to let this sweat for about 15 minutes. Okay, after sweating, I peeled all the charred skin. Now what you'll want to do is just open it up. This is going to be blended, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And you're going to want to remove the seeds. I'm going to take this over to the sink and remove the seeds and the stem. Okay, so here it is. It's all cleaned, seeds removed, and the charred skin. Now it's going to go into my blender. Okay, so all of my ingredients, my jalapeno, onion, garlic, tomatillos, and my roasted poblano pepper are all into the blender cup. I'm also going to add a half cup of water and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder. Now I'm going to puree well. I'm going to set this aside until I'm ready to use it. Okay, so here I have 1.5 pounds of pork chops. That is my son. He is very vocal today. I think 2 pounds of pork chops works with this recipe, but this is 1.5 pounds, so 4. Here I'm going to season it with 1.5 teaspoons of seasonal seasoning salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cracked black pepper. In the center here, I don't know if you can tell, I have a 1/2 teaspoon of Mexican oregano, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. I'm just going to give that a mix. I'm going to season my pork chops on both sides. Okay, so my pork chops are seasoned on both sides. I'm ready to start cooking them. Here I have my pan preheating on a medium to medium high heat. I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of oil, maybe 2 to 3. Now I'm going to add my pork chops. Now I'm going to brown them for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Now let's give these pork chops a flip. So now I'm going to add the other half of my onion that I used. And now you'll want to add your green salsa. Now that this is gently simmering, I'm going to cover it with a lid. You'll want to lower the heat and let it gently simmer for 20 minutes. Okay, so it has been 20 minutes. I'm going to shut the heat off and take a look at this. Just for contrast and a little pizzazz, I added some flat leaf parsley on top, but that's not necessary. So I'm just going to let this continue simmering on residual heat. I'm going to let it set for about 5 to 10 minutes before I serve it, but I do want to remove the lid because I don't want condensation to leak or fall back into the sauce. I think the thickness of the sauce is perfect and I don't want it to thin out too much. So just let it set for about 10 minutes before serving, but it looks so good and my kitchen smells great. And I want to show you what the yellow rice looks like. Let's see here. After cooking, I let it set, and I'm going to sort of fluff it. And for this recipe, you can check out the link in the description below. I'll put it there for you, but I'm just going to let that. So that is yellow rice that I'm going to serve with my pork chops. Okay, so I'm going to cut into this and show you. Actually, let's be honest, I just want to try it. Here we go. And it's not that spicy. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.